everyone, I'm Neelam. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So guys, it's a combined makeup haul. I shopped from Nykaa, Amazon, Purple. In fact, this time Myntra. So Myntra give very good discount on beauty products. Start this video and all the links of the products will be in description box. So before starting this video, please subscribe to my channel. So guys, first product is Milani Storm highlighter in the shade Afterglow. So I'm a highlighter person. I love to try new highlighters and it looks so good. Full size cost I think $14.50, so mini size is quite reasonable. And next product is this Inside 3-in-1 primer, primes, protect and moisture, long lasting oil free primer. So I really want to try a reasonable primer, and if you are a beginner or you do makeup on daily basis, you can try this silicone based. Really helps to blend your foundation, BB cream. And guys, in winter skin get really dry, so use a primer. Next is Lakme Lumi cream. So finally Lakme come with their new product instead of lipstick. So this one is Lakme Lumi cream moisturizer with highlighter. So बहुत सारे अच्छे reviews थे इस product के बारे में. ओ मैंने पूरे खोल दिए ऐसे. So and people write very good reviews. It's a dupe of like MAC Storm cream. So look at the shine, it's so good and it costs just like $2.99. So next product is from K Beauty Eye Stylish liquid liner in the shade Sizzling Mocha. So sometimes instead of black liner, I love to use this brown one, especially in winters. And look at this picture, it looks so good on me. It looks stunning with red lipstick or your black outfit. So I tried so many new lipstick this time. So this one is K Beauty Matte Drama Matte lipstick in the shade Debut. It's a creamy matte lipstick and look at the shade looks so good on me. It's a creamy matte formula, but guys, it's not worth for 999 rupees. You can easily find this formula and this color in a very cheap price. So guys, next product is Nykaa All Day Matte lipstick. So these are their newly launched lipstick and मैंने अभी तक open भी नहीं किया. Let me open. First shade is this Darling Daughter and next one is this mauve color. It's like Grand Fan. And last one is this Cool Cop. So this one is Cool Cop. So it's a nude, mauve and so they cost 349 rupees and you get 2.1 ml product. So guys, next two more lipsticks. So this one is Nykaa Matte to Last lipstick. So shade is like Kashi and Bombay. ये shade मेरे पास है, मैंने ये गिफ्ट करने के लिए ऑर्डर किए हैं. So I can't swatch for you. So Kashi is like pink color and Bombay is like totally a nude color. So with these lipstick मुझे ये Nykaa Kisser lip balm free मिला है in the shade Peach. So no order without nail paints. I love to do nail art and आपको मेरे Instagram handle और मेरे चैनल पर बहुत सारे nail art से related video मिल जाएंगे. So 4 nail paints with nail art. So this one is Nykaa matte nail paint in the shade 109 and this one is K Beauty Shooting Unicorn in the shade 04 with this beautiful unicorn nail art. And these two ये भी मैंने try नहीं किए हैं. So this one is from their breathable collection. So this one in the shade 327, it's a lilac color, and this one is Cookie Crumble and this is in the shade 192. Next is Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. So this one is collaboration with Kisu, and guys, Kisu is a beauty blogger and look at this eyeshadow, it's so beautiful. It comes with 2 highlighter shade and this beautiful color, it's so pigmented. So guys, these days Myntra give really good discounts, especially on Makeup Revolution, like 70% off, 60% off. So you can shop from Myntra also. So guys, next product is from Good Vibes Rosehip Radiant Glow Face Serum. So rosehip oil is very good for your skin, and I never tried Good Vibes product, so I choose their best selling one. I tried this product, it's like okay product. Next one is the Face Shop Rice Water Brightening Foaming Cleanser. So in last month I tried 2 or 3 face wash, but at the end I moved to this one. Give you bright, clear, oil free skin for a long period of time, so I really like this one. And with this I got this chia seed kit free. So it includes 3 products like toner, lotion, and this moisturizer. First one is from Body Loving Eau Dew perfume in the vanilla vibe. So I love their vanilla range, and I tried their vanilla mist, so I choose the same fragrance. So next one is from Bulgarian Rose Hyaluronic Acid Serum with 2% hyaluronic acid and fragrance free. So hyaluronic acid ना बिल्कुल trend में है. So percentage of hyaluronic acid is not more than 2%, and it has 2%, and it comes in a very good quality glass bottle. It cost 409 rupees, and you get 15 ml products. अभी मैंने try नहीं किया है, but I am really excited to try this. I love Plum skincare range. Is makeup cleansing balm, Simply Supple cleansing balm. So I tried this product and it's like okay product. मुझे ये उतना अच्छा नहीं लगा. So guys, last from Plum is green tea face mist. I really like their green tea range. I use this with my green tea night cream, so I just restocked this product. Guys, I forgot one product. So this one is makeup brush, is ideal for liquid cream, concealer and cream blush. Guys, I hope you like and enjoy this video, and please subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on Instagram. Bye bye, see you soon.